Now the next step is to attach your cluster. In here you can give your cluster a name, like staging or prod, whatever best represents the cluster that you'll be adding to Fairwinds Insights. After you create that cluster, you'll be presented with the opportunity to install the Fairwinds Insights software. Our software integrates tools that provide recommendations around the security, efficiency, and reliability of your environment. And we provide you with two methods for installing our software. One is via a helm chart, and the second is via a kubectl command. With the helm chart option, you'll be able to select the specific tools that you would like to install. Some of these tools are built by Fairwinds, like Fairwinds Polaris, which checks your deployments, and Fairwinds Goldilocks, which recommends CPU and memory settings for each workload. But we also integrate other third-party tools such as container scanning, cluster security, and compliance checks. Once you install the Fairwinds Insights software, you'll be able to get results in just within 5 to 10 minutes and get up and running with actionable findings for your environment.